Here are 3 signs that you might need a hearing test. Although many of these seem obvious, we see these ignored the most in our practice. So the first one is ringing in your ears, and this could be either side. If you have this consistently, then it might be a sign that you need a hearing test. The second one is you're asking people to repeat themselves. If you're asking more than one person to repeat themselves, it's not simply a case of them mumbling. It might be a sign that you are not hearing them correctly, so definitely time to book in for a hearing test. The third reason is that people are telling you to go for a hearing test. Hearing loss can be a gradual thing, so you may get used to it. And if lots of people are telling you that you are not hearing them correctly, such as they may be talking to you when you're not facing them, then that could be a sign that you need a hearing test.